Hi there, I'm back with a small project. The other day I broke my turn light, and as you can see in this image, and I wanted to repair it myself by plastic welding it. As you can see here, the big crack, I stopped it with a small dot, and then I welded it from the inside. I didn't care that it didn't look too good. On the outside I did a pretty good job, I say, and initially it didn't fit with the lens. As you can see here, it didn't align, but after I took care of it, it aligned perfectly. As you can see here, you couldn't tell. After that, I welded the piece back together to the main body. I got lucky because no pieces were missing. Again, I started by welding it on the inside, and only then welded it from the outside. As you can see here, I didn't go too deep in the plastic, in the material, just on the surface, and I tried to make it as smooth as possible, because I knew after this I had to make it smooth by grinding it, so I tried to keep it as smooth as possible from the welding time of this action. So I just did it like this for the whole component. After that I grinded it. I think it was 400 grit, I'm not sure. I grinded down the imperfections from the welding, and cleaned it, degreased it obviously, and did a couple of, I think were a couple of coats of primer just to fill up those small scratches, and then I used wet sanding it down to make it smooth and shiny, and all the scratches disappeared, and the small imperfections in the material from the welding and from the grinding. I just did it as you can see here. The whole surface was smooth, and you couldn't tell that it was welded, or after the paint you couldn't even tell which was the original and which one was the painted one. After the grinding, I cleaned it obviously, degreased it with paint thinner, and then I did 2 or 3 coats of paint. As you can see here, they all look the same. 2 are original second-hand turn light, and the other one, this one, the third one, was the one that I repaired. The mounting is pretty easy and straightforward. You can't do it. You can't do it wrong. It just fits in one way. Just have to stick it in there, and indeed there's not much room to work with, but you can do it. It's just a washer and nut. The nut, I screwed it, I turned it with my hand, and then I used the number 17 key just to keep it from turning back loose. After this, obviously you just have to connect the two connectors, 2 cables, and as you will see, then it worked perfectly. So that's about it. Thanks.